your new home for modern web apps and sites. Kinsta is a cloud platform designed to help companies and dev teams ship and manage their web projects faster and more efficiently. Deploy an app. Create a WordPress site. Manage all your projects in one platform. Deploy your projects on infrastructure built on Google Cloud Platform's premium tier network and C2 machines. Choose between 35 data centers and an HTTP/3 enabled CDN with 275 plus POPs. Stay secure with isolated technology, 2 strong firewalls, and advanced Cloudflare-powered DDoS protection. Applications. Deploy directly from your GitHub repos without external C/CD tools. Powered by Kubernetes for maximum scalability. Learn more. The first $20 is on us. Automatically supported languages through build packs. Dedicated databases. Connect your Kinsta-hosted application and database with secure, internal connections. No row count limits, query limits, or paying for internal traffic. Learn more. The first $20 is on us. Managed WordPress sites. An amplified WordPress experience. All plans include a staging environment, redirects, automatic backups, SSL, PHP versions switch, WP-CLI, SSH, Git, performance monitoring. Learn more. 30-day money-back guarantee. The 24th of July 365 expert support. Get technical support from Kinsta's team of engineers and developers in as little as 1 minute and 27 seconds. No ticket system or tiered support. Only useful and in real-time replies. Included with all plans and services. 97% satisfaction rate. Available in English, Spanish, French, Italian, and Portuguese. LM. Flexible pricing tailored to your needs. Don't let unnecessarily complicated and underperforming hosts delay your projects. Explore our plans and resource-based pricing to find the perfect fit to run your applications, databases, or WordPress sites. View plans. Get in touch. Managed WordPress hosting. Explore plans that scale with your business. Switch to Kinsta risk-free, thanks to our free migrations and 30-day money-back guarantee. Get 2 months free by choosing Kinsta's annual WordPress plans. Select to pay monthly or yearly. 30-day money back. Starter. $35 USD, month. $350 USD, year. 1 WordPress install. 25,000 visits. 10 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the starter plan. 30-day money back. Pro. $70 USD, month. $700 USD, year. 2 WordPress installs. 50,000 visits. 20 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Pro plan. 30-day money back. Business 1. $115 USD, month. $1,150 USD, year. 5 WordPress installs. 100,000 visits. 30 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Business 1 plan. 30-day money back. Business 2, $225 USD, month. $2,250 USD, year. 10 WordPress installs. 250,000 visits. 40 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Business 2 plan. 30-day money back. Business 3, $340 USD, month. $3,400 USD, year. 20 WordPress installs. 400,000 visits. 50 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Business 3 plan. 30-day money back. Business 4, $450 USD, month. $4,500 USD, year. 40 WordPress installs. 600,000 visits. 60 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Business 4 plan. 30-day money back. Enterprise 1, $675 USD, month. $6,750 USD, year. 60 WordPress installs. 1 million visits. 100 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Enterprise 1 plan. 30-day money back. Enterprise 2, $1,000 USD, month. $10,000 USD, year. 80 WordPress installs. 1,500,000 visits. 150 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Enterprise 2 plan. 30-day money back. Enterprise 3, $1,350 USD, month. $13,500 USD, year. 120 WordPress installs. 2 million visits. 200 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Enterprise 3 plan. 30-day money back. Enterprise 4, $1,650 USD, month. $16,500 USD, year. 150 WordPress installs. 2,500,000 visits. 250 GB disk space. Free SSL, CDN and staging. Free migrations. Choose the Enterprise 4 plan. Need more? We host agencies and enterprise clients of all sizes. Hire plans are available, as well as dedicated VMs.